If you've got a dog who gets anxious when you leave the house, they freak out in the car, or they just seem extra on edge as they get older, I found something that's going to help both of you. I started using these calming shoes from Kradle to support my dog during these high-stress moments for him. They're made with a calming blend that helps promote relaxation without knocking them out. Just compare it to something us adults use. My dog is getting older now, and when we leave the house, he pees on things, and that's just, we can't do that. This gives him a calm where he just lays down, not like a drooling calm. It's been such an easy ad for us, and if your dog could use a little extra support, it's worth checking out.